Okay, hi people. Today I wanted to tell you about one thing which I noticed when you use Wacom Tablet driver because I had the issue with pen and I wanted to publish video tutorial. For example, I tried to draw text when that lady was talking to this guy, but I had a weird issue which I have to tell you how to fix, especially when you use Wacom Tablet driver, double tap distance option, and I had a weird issue. For example, when I was writing down text message, I will create cloud because I no longer get that issue. For example, after turning double tap distance, I no longer get delay problem or connection of two letters. For example, if I turn this option on, you can see what happens after that. Okay, at the moment I didn't have any problems. I will try to draw, but I had issues like connecting electors or delays. He says, what is very heavy that cable, but I think you should really turn this option off if you encounter problems. Oh, actually, I forgotten to select that option because we have OpenToonz or all other settings. I forgotten to tell you this. All other applications and OpenToonz and in advanced option double tap distance. I forgotten. I have to check something. Maybe I will write down something in English. Or you can see when I try to write down, by accident I connect lines. You can see it shouldn't be like that. If you encounter that issue, but make sure it depends what kind of tablet Wacom driver you use. Double tap distance. I found video tutorial. If you turn this feature off completely, but do not deselect Windows Ink. After turning this off, I no longer have issue with connecting or delays of the lectures. before that it was impossible to create, to write down like that. Okay, just have to zoom out. I no longer see any delays, especially when you create Polish lectures. Oh no, this is, I don't like when it happens. Okay. I accidentally pressed lockdown, but after that I can write it down without any delays. You can see dot. I no longer have issue with connecting lectures together. And you can check that option in Wacom Tablet Center pane. We have option click, but make sure you right leftmost button you click option in advanced. What the driver version is this? What the graphic driver version? The newest one. It all depends what device, what model of Wacom Tablet driver you have. But the most important is when you select all other applications advanced and also OpenToonz advanced. Hover, click and tap. I will leave as it is because by default it was the first option. But you can also change the firm if you do that. But you have to use a little bit of force to be able to draw. But the most important thing was how to remove delays when you use a pen, when you do animation. Okay, just have to find the empty field. Okay, I will create another cloud and have this character's head. Or you can see, after turning this option, I don't have an issue with joining collectors all together. If you encounter any issues, double tap distance. I'm glad that I found an online video tutorial how to get rid of lag input of Wacom Tablet pen. See you guys.